Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure thing. Creating commands in Python is a common task, often used in command line applications or scripts. Let's walk through a simple tutorial on how to make commands using the argparse module. In the above example, we have 3 arguments. Now, you can use the values of the parsed arguments in your Python script. Save your script and run it from the command line. This command will use input.txt as the input file, output_custom.txt as the output file, and enable verbose mode. Congratulations! You've created a Python script with command line arguments using the argparse module. This allows users to customize the behavior of your script based on their input. Feel free to customize the tutorial based on your specific needs or add more advanced features as your project requires. Happy coding! ChatGPT